Got some good weather to sit outside and take it all in.
Yes, I can taste the lemonade on a porch like that. That's what I can do.
Yeah.
Plenty of good in our forecast. More of what we've been getting for the past couple of days. Comfortable, maybe a little cool to start, so maybe a little light jacket early, but that'll come off quickly as we expect those temperatures to soar into the middle 80s again today. Still not super humid out there, but that's coming soon too. At least a little humidity is. I've got the full breakdown, full forecast coming up next. The view is that downtown Tallahassee with the sun coming up. Should be another gorgeous day just like we had yesterday. Skies pretty clear for our part of the southeast. Head a little bit to the west and there are still rain showers out there. Not quite as busy as the activity they had over parts of eastern Texas yesterday. And we'll certainly keep our eyes on it, but I don't expect much change in our forecast for the next couple of days. We're at 50 to get started in Tallahassee, 46 in Thomasville, and it's 46 for us in Valdosta. A comfortable start, maybe a little cool for some. A little light jacket early. Take that off quickly this morning as temperatures will climb fast up into the 80s for daytime highs. Got to 83 yesterday, a little warmer than that normal 81, and I wouldn't be shocked if we saw some 85s out there this afternoon. It's 47 right now in Quincy. It's 48 degrees at Camilla. 47 in Perry and 46 in Live Oak. It's 45 at Homerville, one of the coolest spots, in St. Mark's, one of the warm ones at 56. Not a lot of wind, not a lot of fog. The air itself is still pretty dry, but over the next 48 hours, I think the air is going to get a little bit more humid. Not August humidity, but just enough where you start to feel maybe a little bit of that afternoon humidity, and that'll keep it around in the overnight period, likely limiting as far as the temperatures drop, and still I think the fog will be patchy at best. Out here to the west, this is where the energy is, and the energy is sort of stuck right where it is because of this big bubble of high pressure. That'll be our big weather player for another day or so. Eventually, that will shrink, weaken, and move away. And as that happens, now the energy can make some progress to the east and to the southeast. That will eventually start to change things up for us. But by the time all that happens, I just don't see that energy really having its punch left. So while it can bring some scattered showers, maybe even a thunderstorm to the area, I think that's about all we're looking at. Scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm. And it's all kind of a maybe at this point, all depending on how quickly all this happens. So for today, for tomorrow, even for Thursday, I think our skies are mostly clear. I think that sunshine will warm things up a bunch. The afternoon temperatures mid-80s over the next few days. And the morning numbers, maybe they creep up just a little bit. We'll find fewer 40s tomorrow morning, fewer still on Thursday morning. On the Gulf today, mostly sunny, a little bit breezy at times. Winds out of the southeast and east, 8 to 16. Your seas 2 to 4 feet. We'll put a light to moderate chop in the bays. Got the low tides. Next up, 7:15, they get started. 40s, 50s, bright, comfortable. The sun is on its way up now. It'll be up in about 20 minutes. This afternoon, mid-80s, a little bit cooler near the coast, closer to 80 degrees. Sunny, seasonable, a little bit on the warmish side, but nothing we won't like. Low 50s for us tonight, mostly clear skies again. And like last night, when the sun sets, the temperatures will cool off rather quickly. But I don't think it's going to cool off as much tomorrow morning as it did this morning or yesterday morning. So while we enjoy the spring-like, the good stuff, it is starting to turn maybe a little bit warmish. We're getting towards the end of April. That's what happens around here. Rain chances look to be the highest on Friday, but at this point, it's not looking like a big deal. We'll watch. We'll see how things play out. They could change a little bit. So, of course, please keep checking in with us. We'll make sure we stay ahead of it. And as far as the upcoming weekend goes, looking pretty good there, too. But notice all those mid-80s. It's getting to be about that point in the year when we talk about cool downs and don't cool down much.
That's right. Enjoy this while it lasts. Thanks a lot.